all we need right there. Do you guys think there's any fish in there? Hello there, Dogo. There's the dog coming up here. If you guys don't know, this is like normal for this beach. People's dogs just come around and do all kinds of stuff. There's a lot of dogs over here. Come on, please don't air out on me. Ah, yes. This is Daredevils Outdoors, and we're gonna do some trolling on the paddleboard, see if we can't catch some trout, kokanee, whatever shows their face up. I'm gonna be trolling with this sick, look at this. I got a sick little minnow crankbait deep diver thing. I tried an Apex last day and I caught two kokanee and a trout. So I hope that catches something bigger. All right, so there's the Okanagan Bridge. All right, so we are in 151. Just trying to see if there's like any bait fish things. I think this is the bottom. All right, we got our minnow on. And this minnow is just, how's the action for this thing? I don't actually know what the action's like. It sinks. So it'll go deep. We'll give it a shot. I don't know, because we can just put this around this. Okay, let's give it a shot. Let's look. I don't see the thing. Good, and there's where we want it. Now we're just trolling. Oh, I see a boat in the distance. I wonder what's going on over there. Managed to get the sonar in the water. I don't really see too much. Maybe there was like a skinny line near the surface, but I think I got a fish. That's a fish. I got it right by this guy's boat. Which is freaking hilarious. He's in there. Oh, it came right off. I'm taking a look at the action of this thing and it's just going in circles. Huh. I don't know if that's really good. And if we're going really fast and it just goes in circles like that. Oh yeah, okay, it goes in circles. I think nobody stole my stuff. Yay. Oh, water. Hello? Oh, hey, you don't want to... Hello there, doggo. I feel like a dog's gonna eat another dog. Like, oh. Holy cow. Hey! What the Come here. We're gonna try the Apex, and now I didn't want to try it because Apex means medium-sized fish. And I'm like, right. We have everything. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go. Oh, that sun's coming through. This is awesome. Sending her down. I was kind of worried about that earlier. I was like, the knot that I tied, the what do you call it? A blood knot. Whatever that is, whatever it's called. Just hope it holds on. All right, that's good. Just reel like that. I think I just had a hit. So something's at 100 feet and I don't know what. It's just the purple mark. So I'm gonna let her go down a little bit and then we're gonna go. Oh, big fish, big fish, big fish. Big fish, big fish, big fish. Come on, please stay still on there. There you go. Oh no. Is she gone? Come on. Wrap, 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 wrap. Where are you gone? Oh no, oh no. There's a jumper. Something's on. Or something. Hopefully it's still on there. I think it's a big trout. Oh yeah, she's still on there. Holy cow. She's jumping. And she's a monster. She's a monster. She's a monster. Oh, she's coming in too. Oh yeah, come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, where are you? Oh no, no, get to the front of the boat. Get to the front of the boat. Come on. Come on, Jesus. Oh yeah, she's a runner. She's a runner. She's, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Oh no, no, no. This is when they come off. Oh no. That's a nice trout too. Come on. Get in the boat. Trout. Get in, you little thing. Oh yeah. No, she's not little. She's a nice fish. Oh yes, baby. Take a nice look at this beautiful trout. She just started pulling it aggressively. Oh yeah. Oh no, she's a little bit of a bleeder. Oh no. She's a bit of a bleeder. Beautiful, beautiful trout. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little summary here. Look at that fish. Look at that fish. Bridge trout. All right. Can you go back now? Oh. Yep. There she goes. That was awesome though. Like that trout was jumping and you know, all the fight in the world. Like that trout had a lot of fight to her or him or whatever to him. he had a lot of scars on him. Like he was been through a lot. I don't know what he's been through. Maybe some lake trout tried to eat him. Some big lake something. Big lake trout something. To be honest guys, I think maybe the fish are deeper. Like I got that fish and that's sick, but like I can just tell, you know, maybe I'm not in the right spot. Sean, already, and I think it's a nice size too. Come on. Yes. Oh, was that a jump? I think it was. Did you guys see a jump? Let's see if we still have it. Is it another trout? Oh, come on, yes, baby. Oh yeah, I think there's something on there. Oh yeah. What's that? What's that? Sticking out. What's that fish? Oh, I think it's a troutie. Another troutie. Oh, and it came. Oh no, it's still on there. Just the bait got all weird. Oh, there's a nice something too. Is that a kokanee? Another nice fish. I think I'm in the danger zone for catching them. So loosen that drag just a little bit. Oh, it's a nice size. Come on. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Oh, I think it's a bigger one too. Okay, hold on. This is an issue. This is the one reason why paddle boards are bad, but is it gonna do another fight? I want to show you guys this fish, but it might do another something. Oh no. Look at that trout. Oh no. That was a bad idea. Come here. Yeah, there you go. Oh, okay. The trout are going up in the shallows more or something like that, so we're going the wrong way. Jeez, the wind is like All right, so we have it out there. See how long it takes for it to get slammed. It's funny, like, oh, I'm kind of seeing a mark, like, up high or something. I don't know, maybe it's nothing, but like over there, there's kokanee school somethings. There were somethings at like 90 feet, this big purple line. Alrighty, my friends, I'm heading in. I kind of want to try. All right, you know what, guys? I can't help it. I'm changing it. So we got our rainbow trout colored apex. So our blue one. Then we got this one. Let's change that up. All right, round 3. Okay. Oh, what the heck? Here. Let's do this again. That's not bad. So we got the extra weight on there, so it's gonna go further down. And I switched up the color of the apex. So, is that a fish? Got it in 155 whatever feet of water here. Let's see, is there something on? Oh, possibly. I think it might be kokanee if there's something on here. I don't know though. I don't know, maybe it came off. Oh no, there might be a kokanee on. We might have a kokanee on here. Let's see, because of the way it's fighting, it's not jumping or anything, so I don't know. Let's see here. I think that's what we have. We got ourselves a little coke. A little kokanee. So guys, I just realized that kokanee they're not supposed to get very big. This is not like crazy small. This is for anything. This could be the average size. I was like torn up like, oh, we got baby kokanee, blah blah blah, but there's actually not much to them. Oh, it came up the side. 170-ish feet here. I'm getting fish before I get there, so that's a good sign. What's going on? Oh, this is such a nutty situation. I really got to get a rod holder or something for this. It very well may be. I don't know. I can't really tell until it gets close to the boat, and it starts to not pull. Oh wow! Oh no! There's a little coke on there. Oh, and he jumped. Oh, and he's gone. There's a streak. I'm gonna start paddling in a good, healthy speed. There's this streak between, like, I don't know what that is, like 40-50 feet of water. I am marking tons of fish. The only problem is I don't really know where I am in the water column. Starting to get really windy out. Pow! Pow! Now. Man down! It's too late. Okay. As this thing stops. Don't get crashed. No. We did it! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a great day, but this is really good for just a paddle board without a downrigger. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Peace.